I love this scent and this has been the best value for the money. I use it in my home office and car. I recently purchased this oil in the hopes it would calm some awfully painful neck and back spasms. I have used it twice on the minor ones, saving the prescription meds for the major ones, and this seems to help a little. I mix it with coconut oil and the Majestic Pure Rosemary. I love the smell in it. There is absolutely nothing wrong with this particular variety of frankincense. It stuns me. As I write this, I remember how frankincense used to be more valuable than gold. Now we can get it for less than 20 bucks. This is a very good brand, too. They have an excellent variety of high-quality products. This probably reads like a paid review, but it ain't. Majestic Pure is highly recommended. This peppermint essential oil smells so good you could almost eat it. Use this in your diffuser to set the mood for hot cocoa with peppermint sticks. Yum! I received other oils from Majestic Pure and like them. Their peppermint oil is well made and from natural ingredients. It does contain 10% methafuran, which makes it a highly concentration of premium essential oil. Some of the most common uses of peppermint oil includes natural bug repellent, reduces headaches, improves mental focus, helps clear respiratory tract, boosts energy, and more. As a natural bug repellent, it repels ticks, ants, spiders, cockroaches, mosquitoes, mice, and even lice. For sinus care, you inhale diffused peppermint oil and it can immediately unclog your sinuses. It helps provide relief for colds, sinusitis, asthma, and more. Dilution with a carrier oil is needed before you apply it to your skin to help relax muscle tension. It feels so nice to have the muscles relax and get out of tension from the stresses of the day. I like using this in our diffuser to help with sinus problems. My husband has severe sinus issues and this helps clear him up when nothing else will work. I, also, want to use it for relaxing muscle tension as well, but I need to purchase a carrier oil first. I can't wait to do this and try it out. I received this peppermint essential oil for a reduced rate for my review, however, my opinion is my own and unbiased. The only reason I took a star off is because the bottle leaked during shipping. Only a little bit leaked, but for such a small amount it was a bit of a bummer. Otherwise I love Majestic Pure's essential oils and the bergamot smells like real bergamot, unlike some fragrances imposters I've purchased from other companies. Seems to help some of my neck and upper back spasms. I mix this with the Majestic peppermint oil and coconut oil. Smells great, packaged perfectly, item as described, fast shipping. Can't wait to use it. Very well packaged with no damage or leaks. Click link in description for cheapest price on Amazon and for more reviews. Please let me know the product you are looking for and I will check it for you for free. Make sure you check the description of this video for all hair, skin and personal care items reviews. Please subscribe to my channel.